Hi friends, this is my second video. So in the first video we discussed about a SolidWorks introduction. So in this video I am going to discuss about Sketcher module. So if you see here, so this is the sketch module. So we are going to discuss about the different commands over here. Okay, before going to that, so if you want to do any sketch, if you want to make any sketch, if you want to draw any sketch in a SolidWorks, you require a plane. So let me try to draw a line over here. So when I click on the line command, it is asking me to select a plane on which to create a sketch for the entity. So to draw any sketch in a SolidWorks, we need a plane. So I can go and select any plane from here, like front, top or right plane, or else I'll go to here. So as I told in the last session, we have three planes, default three planes with the software, so you can use any of these planes for drawing the sketch. Okay, so I can go and click front plane and draw the sketch on the front plane, or I can go and click on top plane and draw the sketch on the top plane, or else I can go to the right plane sketch. So when I click over here, it is asking me to I am getting the four options. So I want to do the sketch on the front plane. So click on the front plane and go and select sketch. So now, so if you see here, so I have selected the front plane, and so the plane is normal to the screen, and the plane is not visible now. So if you want to see the plane, go and click on the show button. So now plane is visible on the screen. Okay, so now let's go to line command. So I have clicked on the line. So this is my origin point. So you can draw the line at any place, or else you can draw line at any place over here. Okay, draw at any place over here, at yeah, in a horizontal direction or at an incline, in a vertical, anywhere. So if you want to come out from this command, from the line command, go and press escape button, or you can go and click on the line command. So if you look at here, I have drawn a line, a horizontal line, or an inclined line, or here straight line. So you can draw any line so if you want to make this inclined line to straight, horizontal or vertical, so click on this. So when I click on this, I am getting here make horizontal, make vertical, make fix, auto insertion, insert dimension. So we'll discuss later about this. So first I want to make this line as a vertical. So just if I want to make the line as a vertical, I go and click this make vertical. So if you see here, so inclined line has become a vertical line. Okay, so now, so this line is this sketch is on the plane, front plane. So now if I want to create another sketch on a top plane, okay, then go to top plane, let me say it as show. Okay, go to top plane and click on sketch. So when you click on the sketch, and then so now you can go and draw the sketch on the top plane. So now, so if you look at here, so here is a top plane. So click on the top plane, and I want to draw a sketch on the top plane. Okay, but if you see here, the top plane is over here. So if you want to make the normal to the screen, just click on normal to. Now the top plane is here. So front plane is this. On this I have already drawn the sketch. Now I am going to draw a sketch on the top plane. So you can select any plane and you can draw the sketch on that particular plane. So I have already drawn the sketch line on a front plane. Now I am going to draw on the top plane. So again I'll select line, I'll draw a horizontal line, again I'll draw. So if you see here, so it is like showing here, like if you want to make it a vertical line, so it will highlight like this vertical line. And now I want to make some rectangular shape, so this I will join over here. Okay, so if I want to exit from this command, line command, go and press escape button. So now I have come out from the line command. Okay, so just I want to exit from the sketch. So here if you see here, X into mark means you can exit from the sketch. So if I click on this, discard changes to the sketch is a pop-up window I am getting here. So discard changes and exit means, so whatever the sketch I have drawn, it will discard and it will exit from this particular sketch. So I don't want to do that. So so if you want to, so this cross button you can press this whenever if you don't want to draw a sketch on any particular plane. Okay, so now I want the sketch to be visible on this plane. I don't want to remove the sketch from the plane, so I'll click this icon. So if you see here, so now on the top plane I have drawn a rectangular shape. Okay, now just I want to rotate this planes. So I'm catching the mouse button and just I am moving my mouse, moving the mouse. So if you see here, so on the top plane this is a sketch, on the front plane this is a sketch. Okay, so again I want to modify the sketch on the front plane. Just go and click here, go and click, you can say again sketch. Second, so sorry. So if you look at here, so you can see here we have two sketches. So this is a feature manager design tree in this. So what is the specialty of this feature manager design tree is like, so whatever the sketch you are drawing over here, sorry, whatever the operations you are going to do on this screen, so it will be like it's like a history. You can see the things whatever you are going to do on this screen. So in the first stage I have drawn the sketch 1, and the second stage in the second one I have drawn the sketch 2 on the top plane. The first I have drawn the sketch 1 in the front plane, the second I have drawn the sketch in the top plane. Okay, so what you learn from here is like, so if you want to draw any sketch you need a plane. Okay, so without a plane you cannot draw any sketch in this screen. Okay, yeah. So again, so if I click on this sketch, I am getting here so many options over here. So we'll discuss one by one what is this. So if you look at this, is a edit sketch. So just I'll go and click on this, then I'll say normal to button. So press that space bar, you will get this window, orientation window. You can click normal to, or else you can go and you can change the orientation over here. So just I will zoom out here. So if you see here, just I have drawn here a line, so I want to delete it. So if you want to delete any particular sketch, select the particular sketch which you want to delete and press delete button, so that particular sketch gets deleted. Okay, now I say exit. So now I have modified my sketch. The same way, if you want to edit the sketch plane, so if you want to change the sketch plane from front plane to some other plane, so click here and I want to change the sketch from front plane to right plane. Say okay. Now my sketch has been moved from front plane to top plane. Okay, so just I'll scroll here. If you see here, this is my front plane, so my sketch is on the right plane. Just I'll go and click on show button, so right plane gets visible on the screen. Okay, see here, look at here. So the sketch has been moved from one plane to other plane. So we can move the sketch from one plane to other plane. Okay, we can edit the sketch. Okay, now second, we can suppress the sketch. Suppress means the sketch will not be visible on the screen, and the particular feature or this sketch gets graded out over here. Okay, again, if you want to view the particular feature, go and click on the unsuppress. So again it is visible over here, this sketch. Okay, rollback, it will roll. This is called a rollback. It will go up and down. So what is the benefit of rollback? We can scroll back and we can see the features one by one. So here see, first feature is what is this, second feature or second sketch what it is, like this. Okay, now again hide or show. Say in the similar way we can show or hide this. So what I did, I have hide the sketch. Now again it is visible. Again there is a hide. Okay, so what is the difference between a suppress and a hide? So suppress means complete sketch gets graded out. Unsuppress, it will be visible here. If I say hide, only the sketch over here is getting hidden, but this is not getting graded out. So that is the difference between the suppress and the show or hide button. Okay, so yeah, this is a button. So zoom to selection, it will fit into the screen. Normal to function, just click on the sketch and say normal to. So that particular plane gets normal to the screen. The plane which is shared, which is used to draw the sketch, will be getting normal to the screen. Now I want to change the plane over here from right to again front. You can play anything, like you can move from here to here. Okay. So now the sketch has been moved from right plane to again front plane, but sketch is not visible here. So okay, I will say show. Okay, sketch is now visible. Okay, yeah, so this is about a drawing the sketch using the plane.